Heavy locomotives require additional wheels on the rail to be able to power long and heavy trains. Six-axle locomotives have been around for quite some time. This is one truck. This represents one truck of a six-axle locomotive, and there are three of the axles here. Less than 20 years ago, these trucks, whenever they would go into a curve, would cause additional wheel wear on the lead wheels and wear on the rails themselves as the truck forces and actually tries to straighten out the curve. But about 20 years ago, an engineer came up with a better idea, and what the resulting product is called a radial steerable locomotive truck. So what we're going to do is demonstrate how this works. As the truck enters the curve, a sensor picks up side motion on the flanges of the wheels and tells the truck to start bending into the curve. So as the truck starts into the curve, it automatically starts bending, almost steering the locomotive through the curve. The sharper the curve, the more the truck bends. Now, what this results in, on the Alaska Railroad, for example, this railroad was built in the early 1900s and used small steam locomotives. But all of a sudden, they've started hauling very, very heavy freight trains of ore and coal over the railroad. And by using a steerable radial truck, a radial steerable truck, they were able to use large locomotives to pull these loads. Conversely, when the truck starts going and comes onto a straight piece of track, it aligns itself as a straight conventional truck so that maximum adhesion can be exerted on the rail surface. What's interesting, no matter how large a locomotive you have a surface area only about the size of a dime where the wheel touches each one of the rails, where each wheel touches the rail. So if you can feature this large locomotive on one of the trucks has a surface area on the rail of approximately 60 cents. As the locomotive enters the curve going the other way, same thing happens. Sensor picks up side motion on the flange and starts directing the locomotive around the curve. What the radial steering truck does is it reduces wheel wear, reduces rail wear, and provides advanced adhesion so that the train can pull more weight through the curve.